Hello techies, welcome back to another session of Tuple. In this session, let us learn about unpacking tuple. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. Let us see an example. Declare a variable called fruits and storing 3 values in it as a tuple. This is called packing a tuple. Now in order to unpack a tuple, declare variables equal to the number of items in the tuple. So here we need to take 3 variable as we have 3 items in the tuple. And assign fruits tuple to these variable. Now printing out first variable green will give us first item apple. And printing out second and third variable will give us corresponding items in the tuple. So this is how we can unpack a tuple generally. Now let us learn how can we unpack a tuple using less number of variable than number of items, for which we will be using asterisk. Consider an example of fruits tuple which has 5 items in it. Now let us declare 3 variables. As we learned, we will have to use 5 variable in order to unpack 5 items, but here we have 2 variables as it is, and for third variable you can add an asterisk to the variable name. And the remaining values will be assigned to the variable as a list. And assign our fruits tuple to these variable will assign each items to these variables. Now printing out first variable will give us first item. And third variable with asterisk will give us all other values in the tuple as a list. Let us see in another example. Here we can take the same tuple fruits and take 3 variable in which I am giving asterisk for my second variable and assign these variables to fruits. Now printing out first variable will give first item in the tuple. What do you think of printing out second variable which have asterisk to the variable name? If the asterisk is added to another variable name than the last, Python will assign values to the variable until the number of values left matches the number of variables left. So we will be getting list of values which take mango, cherry, raspberry as items. Now printing out the third variable give us last element in the tuple. This is how we can unpack tuples using asterisk. This is the end of today's session. In the next session, we will be discussing on how can we loop through a tuple. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.